Hello there, it's Haley with the Armageddon Report. This is, of course, every day I'm going to say it's the new and improved cyclocane.com. That's because there's nowhere to go but up. B-U-T up, not B-U-T-T. Anyway, right, so the new and improved part is that when I go through the Outlook text, I was looking for the words tropical depression, tropical storm, post-tropical cyclone. For some reason, I had completely forgotten to search for the word hurricane, so had it been updated, because I'm still updating it manually, anyway, it would have, the second that Carlotta became a hurricane, it would say that there were absolutely no Eastern Pacific storms, because whoops. Right, and that's still unreadable, that says 10%, and this is confusing, but I blame that on the National Hurricane Center. So let's talk about this. This is actually a 0% chance of tropical cyclone formation. So, I don't know, I think maybe for clarity's sake, I might change this to a 1% chance of tropical cyclone formation, because right now it says 0 if there's absolutely nothing, and of course it says 0 if the percentage chance is 0%. Anyway, so let's talk about Carlotta. Carlotta is now a hurricane, and the land hazards, this is from the most recent Intermediate Advisory number 7A. You can get this off the main page. So hurricane conditions are expected within the hurricane warning area by tonight, with tropical storm conditions expected by this afternoon in the warning areas. Storm surge, so dangerous, destructive waves, and rainfall accumulations. Right, let's go back to, let's find the path. So you go here, you click on that, you click on that to get a bigger one. Right, so here the red bar is where the hurricane warning is. The blue is apparently tropical storm warnings, and that's the hurricane watch. So, going to stay hurricane status for a while. Currently, max sustained wind is 85. I think category 1 hurricane start at 75. Do not remember. So yes, if you're down there, you're probably not watching this screencast. But if you are, you probably already know that there's Hurricane Carlotta headed your way. And then, of course, potentially, Tropical Storm Daniel may form. That's 10% chance up there. But that's probably not going to be Tropical Storm Chris. So today, in severe thunderstorm news, we have a slight risk for North Dakota, South Dakota, Nebraska, Kansas, Colorado, Wyoming, and Montana. We have a watch currently in effect, severe thunderstorm watch, for basically where the slight risk area is until 9 p.m. Mountain Time. Here's the specific wind probability tonight, or today I should say, since the watch is already in effect. Anyway, so here's your slight risk, and then of course Iowa, Wisconsin, we've got a 5% over there, 5% here. 5%, it almost looks, I don't know, if you turn your head like a snake, and then the slithering tongue or whatever should be going out there, and it's about to chomp on something. I have no idea. Hail map looks, I think it is exactly the same, almost. That moved a little bit, the numbers moved. Anyway, yeah, so hail is pretty much the same story, 15%, 5.5. Tornado-wise, just 2%, so North Dakota, South Dakota, Nebraska, Wyoming, and Montana with a 2% chance. So, like, we pick this random point in South Dakota, that would mean that there's a 2% chance that that random point or someone within 25 miles of them will see a tornado today. So obviously, wind, hail, the biggest threats today. Tomorrow, 2 slight risk areas, Minnesota, Wisconsin, and a smidge of Michigan. And then Iowa, Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, Colorado. Did I say Nebraska yet? That's tomorrow. Here's the actual specific probability map where you can see the 2 slight risk areas are actually connected by a 5% probability area between them. Day after tomorrow, North Dakota claims the spot for slight risk. And then if you look at the probability map, we've got this 5% thing going on down there. Days 4 through 8 actually is back to having something on the map. So Minnesota, Wisconsin, and Michigan. See, it's been normally saying predictability too low, so that means that the confidence in timing and or location is now high enough on the day 4, so that'd be June 18th. So the June 18th forecast for the Storm Prediction Center to have actually put something on the map. And I believe last time we actually had stuff on the day 4 through 8 map, it was here and here. So what's up with you guys? You guys are more certain than everybody else or something, I don't know. Anyway, so here's what's going on today, back to here. So WikiWix is WICKEDWX.com. There's also weather.gov, Storm Prediction Center. And there's a cyclocane if you want to watch hurricanes, but really you should probably still be on the National Hurricane Center site because they actually update it automatically, whereas, this thing is a shell script or something. Anyway, so that's it for today. Hope you enjoy your wonderful weekend.